Welcome to Muttamil Tech YouTube channel. Please like and share the video to your friends and subscribe my channel. Also click the bell button to get the notifications. Hi all, today I received a Samsung 192 liter refrigerator. So I just ordered last week Wednesday, and today I received in the Dasara festival. So I'm very happy. So I'm going to give review about the refrigerator. So first of all, I took the saffron blue color. So it's 192 liter, 5-star rating. So it's look wise it's very nice. I'm liking this color and excellent design. So we will see the other parts of the refrigerator. So it comes with a lock and very stylish handle. So I'm going to open. So before that we will see some external parts like so side and top we will have the matte finish of material. So it's really good looking, and back side it's completely closed. The advantage of this variant compared to all other variants, the back side is completely closed. Sometimes we will get electric shock or some issues with back side of the refrigerator, but with this variant the back side is completely closed. So you no need to worry about children's will going and touching on backside or something like that. So it's completely safe for the family members. So I am going to open the refrigerator. So this is inside looking. So this is a ice tray box, and here you can keep all your food items. We have two trays, and one is a vegetable tray. So here you can keep all your vegetables freshly. So and you can keep some fruits, milk and those things. So here you can keep your meat items like fish and chicken and all those things. Here you can keep all your ice creams and all those things. They are giving only one ice cube box. So with that you can make ice cubes. And this is a side of the door. So this is egg tray, and here you can keep your some cosmetics. Here also you can keep some pickles or something like that. So here you can keep all your juice bottles like a Fanta or a Maize or something. So, and one more advantage of this variant is that there is a trays given at the bottom. So here you can keep the non-cold vegetables like onion, potato, white onion, all those things. So these things you can keep here. So it's really good. It's not available with the other variants. So it's a really advantage of this refrigerator variant. So overall I am really happy with this refrigerator. So you can go ahead blindly for a small family members of 3 with 1 children or like that. So it's really worthy. I just bought in billion days sale. I got offer around 1000 rupees. So it's really worthy. You can go and purchase. I purchased through Flipkart. The packaging was done very quickly, and it was delivered a little bit delay, but it was okay because big billion days many people will be ordering the item, so the delivery guys also will take some time to deliver the product. So it's really good. You can go for this type of Samsung 192 liter 5-star refrigerator. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, like and give your comments, and share the video to your friends so that they will also get benefits about this review. If you think like there is some improvement need in my making of video, please give suggestion in the comment box so that I will improve my channel videos. Thank you all for watching again. So thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share the video to your friends and subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get the notifications.